Hello and welcome to Victor Shamaki, and in this quick video tutorial I want to show you how to insert a landscape document into a portrait document. Alright, so I have the entirety of my research is on landscape, but I'm only interested in inserting this in just the portion where I have this landscape document. So I'm just going to copy the landscape document. Alright, I'm just going to copy it. Okay, all right, and then I'm going to come to the main document where I want it pasted. So with this, first you need to go to view and make sure your ruler is on. Then I'm just going to scroll down to this side of the document and I'm going to paste this. So once I paste, you can see that the document is showing like it's a landscape. So I'm going to come up here and I'm going to tell you that from this very place, all right. So once I have been here, just make sure you are close to the next to go into the next document. So I just double click on the ruler here, and then I'm going to say from this point forward, and then I'm going to click on landscape. I'm going to click on OK. So you see the document and every other thing from there is showing landscape. So when you want to end that transaction, that is, you want to end the issue of saying landscape should end just here. So I'm just going to come down to the last here and double click, and then go back to say from this point forward, return to portrait. So you see every other thing has a return to a portrait, and then every other thing remains the same. So basically this is the easiest way you can make your document a landscape. So thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. For now, bye bye.